Good morning, students. Today we are going to start up a new lesson. The chapter name of the chapter is retrieved reformation. Retrieved means recovered or get back. Reformation means improvement or change. So the chapter means a reformation or change that was recovered. So this is the third chapter in the first unit, that is problem solving, that is suspense, sorry. So let's start reading. It's a story about a burglar is a thief. His name is Mr. James Valentine. Earlier he was in prison for burglary, and now after completing his term in the prison, after completing his sentence in the prison, in the jail, he has just been freed from the prison. He went back to his old friend and got his tools back and started doing his job of burglary. So again, when there were so many burglaries in the town and people started complaining too much about them, the case was put up before Ben Price. Earlier also Ben Price was the detective, was the inspector who caught Jimmy, who arrested Jimmy. And now again he had been contacted to arrest Jimmy. So when he saw the type of burglaries done in the city, he immediately understood that it was Jimmy. So now one day Jimmy went to Alamore City. Alamore City, here he just saw a lady and he fell in love with her. So that lady's name was Annabel Adams, and her father was the owner of the bank Alamore, the Alamore Bank. So Jimmy forgets everything. Jimmy leaves behind his previous life of a thief. He starts a new business in Alamore City, and he becomes a shoemaker, shoe businessman, and over the year his business flourishes. He becomes a successful businessman of the city, a respectable person in the city. He fell in love with Annabel, and finally their marriage was decided. So then he writes a letter to his old friend Ben. Ben was the detective. He tells Ben that he has left his previous ways, he has left all the burglaries, he's no more a thief, he has started living as a respectable person, and now he wants him to come to Alamore so that he can give his tools to Ben. So Ben comes to Alamore City, he moves around, he gathers information about Jimmy, what he was doing, what he's doing, and whom is he marrying. So what happened suddenly, that in the bank, Annabel's father had built a vault. Vault means a secret safe. And when Mr. Adam was showing it to Jimmy and others, there were two kids playing. These kids were Annabel's sister's kids. They were playing around the vault, and suddenly the younger daughter of Annabel's sister, she just goes into the vault and closes the door. Now mother starts crying, shouting, and it was a hysterical sight, and everyone was puzzled out. So Mr. Adam tells that the clock has not been set yet, and the clock was not wound, so they cannot open the door from outside, and if the door is not opened too soon, the child will die because of fear, because of hysteria. So asks Jimmy if he can do something. So luckily, Jimmy had brought his box of tools over there. He just asked Annabelle to give him his rose which she was wearing in her hair. Then Jimmy sits down to work to open the door of that safe. Finally, he opens that safe and the child comes out of the safe alive. Now, since he has forgotten that he was living under the name of somebody else, Mr. Spencer. He was living in Elmore. He was living under the name of Mr. Spencer. But now, since he has just opened his own identity, his true identity in front of Annabelle and her family, so he thought that now they are not going to accept me as Jimmy, who is a thief, who is a burglar. So he tried to give his tools, and he tried to tell Ben. Ben was also there at that time. Jimmy tells Ben to arrest him because he had caught him red-handed. Then Ben tells that, I am sorry, you are mistaken. I don't believe that I recognize you. कि भाई Ben ये बोल के चला जाता है वहाँ से कि आई एम सॉरी, आई डोंट रिकग्नाइज यू, मैंने आपको पहचाना नहीं. तो बेन वहाँ से चला जाता है और जिमी को वो छोड़ देता है. तो इस तरह से जो जिमी जो है वो गलत रास्ता छोड़ के, बर्गलरी का रास्ता छोड़ के जो एक अच्छा इंसान बनने की कोशिश कर रहा था, उसको वो बेन जो है खुद एक और मौका देता है कि वो एक अच्छा इंसान बना रहे और अच्छे रास्ते पे ही चले. Right? So this is the story all about. So let's start reading. Mr. James Valentine walked out of the prison. Now, there is a person named James Valentine. He walks out of the prison into the sunshine, a free man. Now he was a free man. Earlier he was in a prison for some crime. He went to the cafe of one Mike Dolan, who was alone behind the bar, and shook hands with him. So he went to a cafe, Mike Dolan, and one Mike Dolan is the name of the cafe, is the restaurant. Cafe of one Mike Dolan is the name of a person whose cafe was माइक डॉलन का जो कैफ़े था उसमें वो गया जिमी, और वो जो माइक डॉलन था वो कहाँ था, ही वॉज बिहाइंड द बार. तो दोनों ने हाथ मिलाया, दे शुक हैंड्स. सॉरी वी कुडंट मेक इट सूनर जिमी माई बॉय, कि हम तुम्हें जल्दी से बाहर नहीं निकाल पाए. आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. Feeling all right? Are you fine, Jimmy? Fine, said Jimmy. Got my key? Have you got my key? He got his key, went upstairs, unlocking the door of a room at the rear. Rear means at the end of the corridor. Everything was just as he had left it. कि रूम में हर चीज़ वैसी ही थी जैसी वो छोड़ कर गया था. Even Ben Price collar button that had been torn from the detective's shirt when they came to arrest Jimmy was still lying there. तो यहाँ तक कि कोई भी चीज़ हिली नहीं थी अपनी जगह से. इवन तक कि जो बेन की शर्ट का कॉलर बटन है, जब बेन जो है, जो डिटेक्टिव पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर, जब बेन जिमी को अरेस्ट करने आए थे, तो अरेस्ट करने में वो कॉलर का बटन टूट के उस रूम में गिर गया था, तो वो भी बटन भी इट वाज देयर itself. Jimmy pulled aside means moved aside a panel in the wall. Panel means an artificial wall, an artificial sliding door. Dragged out means pulled out a dust covered suitcase. He opened it and gazed fondly at the finest set of burglars' tool in the country. Gazed means looked at, fondly means with love, with the finest burglars' tools, कि भी उसके पास दुनिया के अपनी देश के सबसे अच्छे tools थे चोरी करने के. So finally we got to know that who was Jimmy Valentine. Jimmy Valentine was a burglar, and Ben Price was a detective, was a police inspector who arrested him for burglaries. So after getting released from the prison, James Valentine went to a cafe of Mike Dolan. They shook hands, and Jimmy got the key of his room from Mike, and he went to his room and took out a suitcase from behind the panel in the door, and when he opened the suitcase he saw his burglary tools. Shortly after the release means freedom, when he was released from the prison, Valentine, there were neat jobs of safe burglaries with no clue to the thief. कि जैसे ही कुछ उसकी वैलेंटाइन की आज़ादी के कुछ दिन बाद ही शहर में तिजोरियों में से चोरियाँ होने लगी, और वो इतनी सफाई से होती थी कि किसी को चोर का पता नहीं चलता था. The losses mounted means increased, and were now high enough to bring the matter up into Ben Price class of work. कि इतनी ज़्यादा नुकसान होने लगा, इतने ज़्यादा लॉस हो गए लोगों के उन चोरियों से कि the matter was brought before Ben Price. Ben Price is a police inspector, he is a detective. That's Jimmy Valentine's work. He immediately, when he saw and when he looked at the burglaries, the manner they were done, he identified them as Jimmy Valentine's. He has resumed business. Resume means again started working. He has got the only clamps. Clamps means tools that can do such a clean job. कि इस पूरे देश में उसी के पास ऐसे टूल्स हैं जिनसे वो इतनी क्लीन, इतनी सफाई से चोरी कर सकता है. Yes, I guess I want Mr. Valentine. So Ben कहता है कि yes, I want now Mr. Valentine. I want to arrest him again. One afternoon in Alamo City, Jimmy, looking like an athletic young student just home from the college, went down the broad footpath towards the Planters Hotel. So one day Jimmy and Valentine was roaming around in Alamo City. He was looking handsome. So a young lady crossed the street, passed him at the corner, and entered a door over which was a sign, the Alamo Bank. So Jimmy saw a young lady crossing him, and she went into a building on which there was a signboard, Alamo Bank. So the building was the Alamo Bank. Jimmy Valentine looked into her eyes and forgot what he was, और अपने आप को भूल गया. He fell in love with her at the first sight and became another man. He became another man. She lowered her eyes and colored slightly. Colored slightly means blushed. She also looked at Jimmy and she blushed. Blushed means her cheeks became pink. Young men of Jimmy's style and looks were scarce. Scarce means hardly, in very, very few. Scarce means very few in Alamo City. कि वही जिमी जैसे गुड लुक्स और स्टाइल वाले लड़के बहुत कम थे एलमोर सिटी में. जिमी collared a boy. Collared a boy means just picked a boy that was loafing on the steps. Loafing means just running on the steps of the bank, and began to ask him questions about the town. Feeding him means giving him coins at intervals. तो वो उससे questions पूछने लगा टाउन के बारे में, शहर के बारे में, और जैसे जैसे वो लड़का जवाब देता गया, जिमी उसके पॉकेट में कॉइन्स भरता गया. By and by means after some time, the young lady came out and went her way. The young lady, that means the lady whom Jimmy had seen and with whom Jimmy had fallen in love with, she came out of that building. That building was the bank. Isn't that young lady Polly Simpson's? She asked Jimmy, isn't that Polly Simpson's? No, said the boy. She is Annabel Adams. Her pa means father, owns this bank. More coins filled the boy's pocket as Jimmy extracted means took out information about Annabel Adams. अब क्योंकि जिमी को उससे प्यार हो गया था, जिमी फेल फॉर हर, तो जिमी को उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए थी और वो लड़के से क्वेश्चंस करता रहा और एनाबेल के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लेता रहा और उस लड़के की पॉकेट में कॉइन्स डालता रहा. So that's how Jimmy came to know everything about Annabel Adams. So what happens next? We will read tomorrow. So today your work is to read the story and send me the videos. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.